Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm going to be cleaning in my living room. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Tuesdays because I always have something that I need to tidy on Tuesdays. Well, really, I have something that I need to tidy every day of the week. But as always, I want to thank Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home for putting this collaboration together each and every week. I will link her channel along with this week's playlist in my description box below. Do not forget to show everybody some love and check out all of those channels. Like I said, I'm going to be cleaning here in my living room, and to polish my furniture, I am going to be using the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. This is absolutely one of my favorites. I love the scent, along with a microfiber cloth. This one I picked up from Grove Collaborative. And I'm also going to be using the 7th generation glass cleaner for my glass surface, along with a cloth that is designated just for glass. So let's get busy tiny tidying in my living room.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time. Your fears lead, light is at your feet. Yes, regret is worse than failing. Keep the loved ones close, close enough. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it.
If you are new to my channel, I want to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior. I would absolutely love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. Here on my channel, you can find lots of cleaning motivation, homemaking inspiration, along with just sharing in my Heart Warrior journey. And it is completely and totally free to just click on that subscribe button, and I would so love to have you. If you are new, please introduce yourself in the comments because I love getting to know each and every one of you. As I am cleaning and putting this back up, I did want to mention that one of my very first friends that I met here on YouTube when I started my YouTube journey decided to relaunch her channel. Her channel name is Amanda Grace Creates, and she is so creative with her videos. She does a variety of cleaning content, so I wanted to just throw that out there so that you might want to check out her channel because she is such a sweet person with a kind heart. Also, I just wanted to share that I am cleaning in my favorite workout skirt. I love this Lululemon athletic skirt. It has shorts under it. It is so versatile and perfect. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but this summer I've been living in this athletic wear, whether it is a dress that has shorts built in or a skirt that has shorts built in. I love this because today I had some errands to run. I was able to run the errands with this. I was able to clean with this, and I even got to work out tonight in the same outfit, and I did not have to worry about changing. So I just wanted to share that in case you guys are looking for something that's comfortable and versatile to wear as well. I have the dresses I have are from Old Navy, and I have some other little skirts like this that are from Lululemon as well. Lululemon has such good quality clothing. I absolutely love to wear Lululemon. Of course, I am absolutely not sponsored, but they are a great company. So I am just going to finish cleaning my living room, and I hope that you guys enjoyed some motivation today. And I just want to say thank you for spending part of your valuable day with me. You mean so much to me.
Took a blow, turned a cheek. Those lessons cut me deep. I've never been the same. Painted bright or monotone, deep splashes of black. In pain the contrast grows. Make a masterpiece of mess. Even unknown took years to untie the bondage of those lies. They're confused, call me lost. I've never been more free. I've never seen so clear. There is life outside the lies. We're diverse and divide. Sit with self
this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. 'Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me for me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me. It feels different, never over. If I'm blue again tomorrow, that's alright. 'Cause I'm so damn happy now. When I'm at my darkest, you're always there to pick me up. I don't think that I'll tell you enough that I love you and how you light me up. I used to feel like an outcast, but with you I know that I belong. Like it's us against the world. You like me for me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me. It feels different, never over. If I'm blue again tomorrow, that's alright. 'Cause I'm so damn happy now. Where the last people standing, still dancing with.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Let me know what you tidied in the comments or what you plan on tidying today. Also, do not forget to check out the helpful home listed in my description box below, along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist. And behind me, you will see that we actually have the TV up here now, so I'm so excited about that, and I have a short coming soon. So just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
And the lights come on, the music is fading, but this is our favorite